Hello everyone, welcome to BotBiz. In this video, we will learn how we can import contacts into our connected WhatsApp number. For those people who don't know what BotBiz is an automation platform that helps you connect your WhatsApp business API number and automate every conversation, implement chatbots, build AI agents, and lots of other things. Now, we will move on to the dashboard. We can see Subscriber Manager on the side panel. You need to click it. By subscribers, we mean WhatsApp contacts those people who will send you messages or whom you want to send messages to. We can see an import option. We will click Import Subscriber. Now, we have three options that we can use to import subscribers. One is from Google Sheets, another one is from Google Contacts, and the first one is through a CSV file. To use a CSV file, we need to download the sample CSV file from here. And then we need to open it. After the CSV file opens, let's zoom in a little bit. You can see here that the subscriber names and subscriber phone numbers are listed. You need to edit these rows and enter your subscribers' numbers. You can add their names or you can keep them blank. We will be importing these test subscribers. Select the sample subscriber file, drag it and drop it into the upload area. After our file uploads, if we scroll down, we can see that the phone number column and name column from our file are showing in the pop-up. If you have a separate column, you will see that column as well in this pop-up. You can map the other column as a custom field value for the subscribers. In the next step, we need to map these phone numbers and names with our system. We need to click the Map button. From the file header, which is the phone number column in our file, we will select the subscriber field, phone number. This will map the phone numbers from the file to the subscriber phone number field in our system. Next, we need to click Map Data again. We need to choose the name column from the file, and it will be mapped to our subscriber.name field. Now, we need to click Confirm, and we just received a success message. If your file is larger, you need to wait for some time so that the system can upload the full file, process it, and map everything. After that, you need to click OK and close the pop-up. You can see that I uploaded all these subscribers. If you click the briefcase icon, you will see the subscriber details, and you can take action from the action bar. If you press the Shift button on your keyboard and scroll your mouse wheel, it will scroll to the right or left. You can assign an agent, add a label, add a list, assign a sequence, which is also called drip messaging, and assign a custom field. These are the values I was previously talking about. You can import them in a separate column in the CSV file and map each value as a subscriber custom field. You can also add notes and do other things from here. This is how you can upload subscribers from a CSV file into your BotBiz account. Later, you can start conversations or run broadcasts to those imported contacts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.